guys? Thanks for checking out the channel, watching the video. First of all, excuse me for being gone for a few weeks. I've had a bug and it has been a rough one, but I am finally on the other side of it, feeling better. Still have congestion and coughing. The coughing was relentless, but anyway, I digress. Today we're making a cake. It's right, as you can tell by the Christmas tree, we are right around the corner from Christmas, and we are going to make a cranberry cake. Now this is a Bundt cake that's got fresh cranberries, orange zest, and we're going to top it with a white chocolate glaze. Yum. Sounds just like Christmas to me, guys. So here it comes. This is my cranberry Bundt cake. Here comes the recipe, guys. If you're not subscribers, take a second, hit that subscribe button. We'd love to have you on board. Enjoy the recipe, and we'll see you on the other side. All right, guys, the first thing we're going to do is to prep our Bundt pan, which I've sprayed the inside of it. We're going to sprinkle it with flour. Like this. And just kind of shake it around like that. You want to get into all of those crevices. And the center part is always hard to do, but do a little bit by hand here. Okay, so now take this to the sink, turn it upside down, and bang it once to shake off all the extra. That is what your Bundt pan should look like. So set that to the side. In our mixer, we're going to put a white cake mix. Dump that in. We're going to do 2 of the family-sized boxes of Jello instant pudding. I'm using the vanilla flavor. So you want 3 ounces of the Jello pudding. Just like that. Now, I'm just going to take my paddle attachment and we want to kind of mix that together. I'm not even full. Put it on. Just like that. While you're down there, go ahead and put your attachment on. You can certainly use a hand mixer for this if you want to. To this, we are going to put 3/4 of a cup of vegetable oil, 1 teaspoon of almond extract, a teaspoon of vanilla. I'm going to do that so I can wash out the almond out of there. And the milk. That is 3/4 of a cup of milk. Again, using soy milk. And we just want to put this together real quick. Raise it up just enough to moisten it. Grab a spatula. Again, silicone spatulas. Scrape those edges, get all the cake mix out. Okay. Nice and moistened. We're going to put in 4 eggs, 1 at a time. Let that beat that in. 2. 3. 4. All right, we're going to beat this for about 2 minutes. We're going to crank up the speed a little bit, let it go for 2 minutes. Let's do stop real quick and scrape it down one more time. It smells so good. I love that almond extract smell. So it's been about 2 minutes. Now we're going to put about a teaspoon of orange zest in there. It's such a Christmas flavor. And give that a mix. Okay, we are done with the mixers part of it. Let's go ahead and do this and scrape the beater, the paddle down. It's a thick dough, just nice. It smells so good, y'all. Okay. All right, guys, I have washed a pound of fresh cranberries. All right, guys, this is about a pound. It's a little under a pound because you got to pick through your cranberries and make sure there's no icky ones. So this is a pound of fresh cranberries that have been washed. They're still damp. I'm going to put them in a bag. I'm going to put about a third cup of flour in here. I'm going to put that in there. We just want to mix these up. We want to coat those cranberries with flour. Just like that. Perfect. Now, we're going to take this and put that in our batter. Try not to get the extra flour. And we're just going to fold that in. Just like this. Once we get this mixed, don't overmix it. We just want to mix those cranberries in. Just like that. Okay. Into our prepared Bundt pan. We're just going to scoop this out. Put it evenly into the pan. We've already preheated our oven to 350, so it is ready to go. I'm going to grab a spoon real quick. Okay. Okay, guys. And I'm just going to kind of make sure it's even. There's one side that's a little bit fuller than the other. Just like that. This is going to go into that 350-degree oven for 40 to 50 minutes. We're probably going to run closer to 40, so we're going to set our timer for 40. All right, guys, the cake has baked about 45 minutes or so. We did test that with a cake skewer, and it came out clean, so we want to make sure it's done. We're going to let that cool 10-15 minutes, and then we're going to invert it and let it cool completely. In a cup, we have 1/3 of a cup of heavy whipping cream plus a tablespoon of sugar. Zap that in the microwave till it's really hot. We have a cup of white chocolate chips, and we're going to pour this over the top. And just stir that until that's melted and smooth. That's what we're looking for. We want it smooth and clear. Well, not clear, but it's not thick. Okay. We're going to transfer our cake that has cooled completely. Let's do it this way. onto our serving plate right here. Our glaze is smooth and beautiful. And we're just going to drizzle this. And we're just going to drizzle this, make sure it's centered. There we go. Now I'm going to move this to the side. I'm going to kind of rough chop some white chocolate chips. Mini chips will also work, but I don't have many chips, so I'm just going to chop these up. I'm just going to sprinkle that around to the top. All right, guys, let's cut a piece and give it a try. There's those fresh cranberries poking through. All right, guys, let's give it a taste. Smell first. I can smell the cranberries. Definitely smell the cranberries. The orange. Give it a taste. Very delicate crumb to it. Oh, the tartness of the cranberries, amazing. Yum. Oh, that's really tasty. Those cranberries are like super tart, but it plays well with the cake. And that white chocolate glaze on top, that's really good. That is really Christmassy, guys. If you give it a try, let me tell me what you think. I'll put the recipe down below. Again, if you're not subscribers, take a second, hit that subscribe button. It means so much to us. You guys enjoy the recipe. Have a great Christmas. If I don't see you before then,